Hi everyone, it's Jen with Your Magical Vacation. Just got in the mail Neutrogena Naturals through Influencer for me to review. So I'm going to open the package. And there we go. Oh, it's a nice big package of the makeup remover wipes. I'm planning on taking this with me this weekend. I'm going out of town to a wedding, so I'm going to take this with me and see how well these work when I have a full face of makeup for the wedding. So stay tuned. What's this card? Oh, it's all about the wipes. So stay tuned and I will keep you updated on how well I like these wipes.